Hi there. Welcome back to our next session on C++ programming language. In this session, we will learn about C++ abstraction and exception handling. Let's start our session with abstraction in C++. Data abstraction refers to providing only essential information to the outside world and hiding their background details, that is, to represent the needed information in program without presenting the details. Data abstraction is a programming technique that relies on the separation of interface and implementation. In C++, classes provides great level of data abstraction. They provide sufficient public methods to the outside world to play with the functionality of the object and to manipulate object data, that is, state without actually knowing how class has been implemented internally. For achieving data abstraction we use interfaces or abstract class in C++. Now let's see abstract class in C++. In C++, class is made abstract by declaring at least one of its functions as pure virtual function. A pure virtual function is specified by placing =0 in its declaration. Its implementation must be provided by derived classes. Let's understand it with an example. Let's see an example of abstract class in C++ which has one abstract method draw. Its implementation is provided by derived classes, rectangle and circle. Both classes have different implementation. Watch the example carefully. Now let's see exception handling in C++. Exception handling in C++ is a process to handle runtime errors. We perform exception handling so the normal flow of the application can be maintained even after runtime errors. In C++, exception is an event or object which is thrown at runtime. All exceptions are derived from std_exception class. It is a runtime error which can be handled. If we don't handle the exception, it prints exception message and terminates the program. Advantage of having exception handling: it maintains the normal flow of the application. In such case, rest of the code is executed even after exception. You can see C++ standard exception classes on your screen. In C++, we use three keywords to perform exception handling: try, catch, and throw. Let's see try catch in C++. In C++ programming, exception handling is performed using try-catch statement. The C++ try block is used to place the code that may occur exception. The catch block is used to handle the exception. You can see the program on your screen. Turbo C++ or any previous version compiler does not support C++ exception handling. You need GCC or any other updated compiler to do exception handling program. Hope you liked the video. We will get to know more topics in our upcoming sessions. Till then, thank you.